There's a gesture you make 100 times a day, moving the playhead. Back to the start, over to that one spot, back to the reference point. Small, but 100 times a day adds up, and inside a macro it becomes essential. Before exporting a frame or dropping a marker, you have to be in the right place. In this video, we drive the playhead through scripting. One key to jump back to the start. One key to jump to an exact timecode. You'll need the Studio edition of DaVinci Resolve, configured as in the scripting video. The action is DaVinci Playhead with the usual yellow note. It works through Resolve's scripting API, no simulated clicks. The operation dropdown has 5 entries. Start, playhead to the first frame of the timeline. End, to the last one. Timecode, it jumps to an absolute timecode you type yourself in the field that lights up only for this entry. And then move forward and move backward, back and forth by a step you choose. We'll see them in a moment. That's all. And the simplicity is exactly the point. A small, precise action that slots in anywhere. First macro from the package, Playhead to start, operation start, and nothing else to configure. I'm at the far end of the timeline. After an editing session, click, Playhead on the first frame, viewer already updated. Put on a key and back to the start becomes a reflex from anywhere in the timeline, however long it is, no scrubbing and no mouse. Second macro, go to timecode 01:00:10:00, a jump to an absolute point. Resolve's classic timeline starts at 1 hour, so this is 10 seconds in. Click, the playhead lands exactly on the frame. And look at the timecode field. It's flexible. You can write the timecode with colons, with semicolons, with dots, or just the 8 digits in a row, 01, 00, 10, 00. Magic Automa then normalizes it for you. And jumping to a fixed point comes up more often than you'd think. The opening title, the sync point, the logo frame. And then there are the relative jumps. It's a single action. I'll build it on the fly. Operation, move forward by step 5 seconds. Run, forward exactly 5 seconds. Again, 5 more. Move backward by, and I step back by the same amount. You compose the step with 2 fields, seconds, decimals allowed, plus frames when you need absolute precision. 12 frames are 12 frames at any frame rate. It's like having arrow keys, but with a step you decide. On a deck key, it becomes forward 1 bar, back 1 scene. And it won't crash through the edges. At the start or end of the timeline, the playhead simply stops there. But this action's real job is being the first step of longer macros. Quick example, with the marker action from the last video. First a DaVinci Playhead to a timecode, then a DaVinci marker, 2 actions, and the note lands in the exact same spot every single run. Same pattern for the frame, export, you'll see a few videos from now. Position, then shoot. The rule is simple. Whenever a macro depends on where you are, put a DaVinci Playhead in front of it, and it no longer depends on anything. To recap, DaVinci Playhead, 5 operations, start, end, absolute timecode, and the relative forward and backward jumps with the step in seconds and frames. The timecode field takes any separators or the bare 8 digits on its own on a key for quick jumps at the head of your macros to make them repeatable to the frame. Both macros are in the L2 package, ready to import. The relative jumps take 10 seconds to set up. Next video, we go up a level, selecting timelines by name and duplicating them with 1 click, scripting again.